What's up, everybody? KGM here. I figured I'd give you guys a channel update quickly. I have some content coming out. I think I got some lost footage on the GoPro from the airplane and everything. Just been a while, you know. I've been very busy. My kids are getting older, and it's amazing as how you don't realize how much time you really don't have. It's amazing as your kids older, you realize how much work it really is. And I love them to death. I just love them, and they keep me on my toes for sure. But nonetheless, I have some time today. I want to go through a few things that I have going. I'm actually cleaning up the shop right now. It's been a mess. You know, I'm a pack rat, so things come in and they don't leave, and they just get thrown around until I actually get the time to organize and kind of put stuff away. It's kind of a problem I have, but I get there. I get it cleaned up eventually. So let's go over a few things. I'm going to show you guys a couple things, and then I do have a Vevor diesel heater coming that I'm going to review. That's to supplement the heat I have in here. That thing rips, but the caveat to that is it's super loud, and this is such a small space. It heats it real well, but the noise pollution in here, that drone, that real monotone, constantly just droning out the rest of the noise in the shop. So I want to try out this diesel heater. Rambling again, but let me show you guys what I'm working on and a few other ideas for projects I have to go along with it. First things first, I'm going to give a major shout out to Todd, RC Ohio. He gets these deals from Riley's Deals. I think it's Jordy's Hobbies now on eBay. He saw this Losi NASCAR, and he's like, you know who loves Busch Light? KGM. So he sent me this. Huge shout out to Todd. Couldn't ask for a better friend. Along with Chris and John D. But these came from Chris, 1/5 scale RC Garage. These are BRP hub adapters for a Baja. He knew I needed some, so he sent me those as well. While I'm giving shout outs, you know, got to give Chef Beardsley a shout out, and Gus Custom Creations. Talk to them daily as well. They're just great friends. Met through the hobby, met through YouTube. Awesome guys. But over here, we have an FPV drone build. I've been working on this for a few months now. Definitely something out of my element. This is a bot Grinderino. It's going to be hooked up with Fat Shark Dominator. This is all digital. Steve FPVRC, he's been, I was bouncing ideas off of him with this avatar setup. And then, yeah, this all came from Fly High FPV. Let me get it back in frame. A lot of it did. The frame, the airframe did. The rotors. This came from Rotor Riot, which is a joke. I wish I could find this stuff elsewhere. I would rather not deal with Rotor Riot. But Fly High, great dude. That dude, he's got it licked. Great customer service. So yeah, I just got to get this all wired up. I have everything I need to finish it. I just have to finish wiring it. It's amazing, these little tiny wires that all have to be soldered on there to make it work. And then the binding process. Running a Radiomaster ELRS with this. Radiomaster Pocket ELRS. So that's going to be a fun build. Stunt drone, but I've been working in the simulator. It is not easy. Not easy at all. Also, I still have this Blackbone gear set that I have to put in the Kraken Vesla. Didn't run this much this year. I did try and film it a few times, but to get out and actually run and film at the same time, sometimes it doesn't work out. So this is what happens. I do little update videos along the way. The Red Cat Vigilante in its natural habitat, just in pieces thrown up on the shelf. Yes, I do have to finish this one. I have all the parts to put it back together. I will run this winter. Yeah, just stuff that happens. You know, you get to a point where you just run out of time is what I'm trying to get at with this video. So just bear with me. I have more content planned coming out. I do need to get back into this. I like doing it. I do. I love doing it, and I like talking to everybody through it. You know, you pick up and you meet new people, and you pick up little different types of little tweaks with your not necessarily just with your content, but with the hobby itself. It's really is. The hobby's just one big family. So stay tuned, guys. Keep an eye out for the notifications for the KGM content coming out. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.